Hey, this is Vikas from InstaWP. I'm really excited to show you the new site management capabilities we have recently introduced to InstaWP. This will allow you to manage hundreds of WordPress websites with ease. Let's get started. In front of my screen, you can see there is a WordPress website, and I want to manage this WordPress website using the InstaWP site management feature. To add this website to your InstaWP account, click on Add New Plugin. Search for the InstaWP plugin in the repository. Install the plugin which says InstaWP Connect. Click on Install Now, and once it is installed, activate it. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Now we have activated the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will see that there is a new menu added on the top of your screen on the admin bar. Click on it. You will see that the account is not connected yet. So let's connect the account. It will open up a new tab, and it will ask you to access the InstaWP account. You can approve this screen. This will allow us to connect the plugin to the InstaWP servers. Once you have done that, if you go to the InstaWP dashboard, click on the Connects tab, it will automatically show you the new website which has been connected just now. Looks like the website has been connected, and we already have a security score as 0 risk, which is good. Performance wise, it is still testing. So let's give it a couple of seconds. And once it is ready, it will tell us. So let's hit refresh one more time. All right. So looks like our performance score has come back as 99%, which is really good. Let's look at some of the free features which come with every managed site via InstaWP. First, let me log out from the site I am managing, because I'm going to show you the easiest way to log into a WordPress site is Magic Login. Let's try that. It will automatically log into your WordPress site, and now you don't have a need to mess up with the login credentials and all those things. We also have a manage users functionality where you can create temporary login for every user on your WordPress website. So that will come up in a moment. Before I show you that, there are a couple of more features which I wanted to show you. Second one is purging of the cache. So this is one of the biggest pain point of a WordPress website. You use so many caching plugins, maybe for a page cache, a CDN, then there is a Cloudflare plugin, and then there are a couple of other plugins for Redis and others, right? So we will automatically purge all the cache plugins which we support. Obviously, we do not support each and every one of them, but we support majority. As you can see, we already cleared the Elementor cache. So this is a very handy tool. Comes as a free tool with every connected site. The other free tool which I really love is the DB editor. So generally, when you have like some advanced needs, you want to edit the database, you need to install a third-party plugin, which can create a security problem, maybe not. So by default, this setting is disabled. So you need to enable this setting. To do that, go to the W icon again, click on the Manage tab, scroll down and enable the database manager. Once it is enabled, you can access the DB editor now without any problem. There are some plugins, some settings which are disabled by default to protect your security. Once you are done with your database management task or whatever you want to do with the database, you can actually disable this toggle to maintain the security on a higher level. All right, so let's look at the site details itself. If you click on the website details, you will see a very nice dashboard which will show you the uptime, the performance, the vulnerabilities, and all of the details about the website. And if you go to the plugins tab, you will see how many plugins you have and how many needs to be updated to the newest version. This is also a free feature which comes with every connected site. So let's upgrade Contact Form 7 to the latest version. Just like that. Let's give it a moment. All right, so it has been updated. If you click on the plugins tab again, you will see that the version has been updated, and we can see that here. Similarly, you can see the themes as well, which has been installed in your WordPress site. There is one more thing which is included in the free plan, which is the manage users, which is like one of the coolest features which we have created, and that is completely free. So it takes a moment for it to download the database, download the list of users, And if you had multiple users, you can create temporary login by simply clicking on the copying temp login URL. So this will allow any user of your team, your client, to log into the website without sharing credentials. And this will be valid for, the link is valid for 12 hours. And this is only valid for one-time login. If the user logs out, the link will not work again. Let's get into the discussion of pricing and the feature set which comes with each connected site. So we have two plans. One is a basic plan and another one is the advanced plan. The basic plan is free and is free forever for unlimited number of sites. You don't even need to add a credit card. So you can add hundreds of your clients' websites and you can get all these features for free. So I talked about manual plugin and theme updates, magic login, database editor, purge cache, managing users. So you can add a user, you can get temp login, all of that for free. You can create a staging site. So let's have a look at that. So let's go to the website again. Click on the W icon. Click on create staging. Now I can go through the flow, which will copy my WordPress website as a staging site into the InstaWP dashboard. This is one of the basic features which we offer to all our agencies and developers. This will allow them to copy or create a staging environment to test something, a PHP version upgrade, a plugin version upgrade, or whatever you want to test on. Now, this requires additional video, which we already have on our channel. So go and watch out for that. In the free plan, you can create up to 1 GB of staging site. So that's the restriction. If you want more disk space, you can upgrade to a higher plan. Now, talking about the last feature, which is the uptime monitoring in the free plan. So we automatically monitor your website every hour from 5 different locations around the world. So I think one in each continent, not in each continent, but almost like covered throughout the world. In the paid plan, we cover from 20 locations. So that will give you higher coverage. And we monitor from not every hour, but every minute. So this was about the basic plan description. Then we have advanced site, which costs you $2 per site. And if you manage more than, say, 100 sites, this cost can come down to 1.7 per site. So this is a volume pricing. And if you manage more than 500 sites, if you are a hosting company, we can completely white label this for your users. And we have done that for multiple hosts. So do reach out to us. Now, every advanced site gets so many advanced features. So everything in the basic plan, of course. And then we have automated vulnerability scanning, performance monitoring, uptime monitoring every minute, and from 20 locations. Then you can generate client report. So how cool is that? You can do bulk updates, schedule updates, modify auto updates, activity log, config manager, and we have some more features which is coming soon, which is not ready at the time of this video, but I am positive it will be released at the end of March 2025. So let's go back to our Connects dashboard and try some of the advanced features.